Oh yeah.
What's up, y'all? This is Sean again. Been getting a lot of people like subscribing almost on a daily, so that's cool to see that the channel is just positively going up in subscribers. So hey, today, oh, by the way, that last video I posted, the pillars, I don't know if you guys, let me see if you guys can see it. Let me look through the viewer. Yeah, so the pillars are black. Remember the pillars that I painted? Dude, it looks so stealthy on these pillars, man. Like, I don't know, the camera probably not gonna do it any justice. I'm trying to get the proper lighting. Like, it's nice. It's really, really nice. The only thing that I could say that's really like a negative, if I'm reaching for a negative, is the fact that it's black, so like you could see a lot of the length and the kind of like hair, and you know what I'm saying? So you gotta get like one of those like rollers that you, like, you know when you got like length on your shirt, those rollers, like do that ever so often. But other than that, the paint job came out amazing. Like, so now, as you guys can see, we over here by Joanne Fabrics. Hey, I told you I was doing big stuff, man. So for that, I need to figure out like what we're gonna do in terms of the actual fabric itself. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I actually got my mom. I picked up my mom, so we're gonna go and I'm gonna get a lady's point of view on what, like, you know, what the interior should kind of look like. So hold on, let me turn the camera around so you guys can see me. So yeah, so what the interior should probably look like. Please excuse the beard. God, I really like. I'm waiting for my barber to open up so we can get this thing going, because boy, I need a haircut. But yeah, so we're gonna do that. Yeah, let's go. So yeah, as you can see, guys, the wrap turned into like really brown and nasty. This is what happens when you leave the car out there. And my hood is taking a beating, so now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with the damn hood. Cause look at the damn wrap, man. The wrap has changed color, so I gotta rip that off, and the sun has been doing a beating. That's the wind. You know, I got that, the most beautiful woman in the world, my mom. Brought her along. Alright, we're gonna check out some fabrics over here. I don't know. I got kind of like something in my mind of what I want, but I don't know. Let me see. Oh, look at the black. Oh, with the black with the, that's bees, right? That look kind of hard though, I'm not gonna lie. She's talking about this one, y'all. It's like a velvety though. It's velvet, like a suede. Not velvet, suede. What's that? Oh, the... I don't want to do any like space galaxy shit, because that's like so overused. You know what I'm talking about? You know, when you go to like the space, everybody put that stuff in their car, man. I want to do something different, man. But I damn sure don't want to do no velvet. Just crush the game and just put some one of these shits in.
One of those.
Oh, this? Ain't this the one that you fold it this way, it does this and this? Let's see, let's see. Oh, look at this, B.
Oh, mermaid thing.
Tell me that ain't dope.
Yeah.
That's dope as hell. Yeah. Oh man, I ain't gonna lie. That's kind of, I want to do something different, man. Like I want to, like, no shit, this is dope. Look at this. Look at this, baby.
Oh yeah.
Picture that.
Yeah.
With the black, and it kind of, to be honest with you, it kind of gives that like starry.
Yep. Oh my God, yes, this is nice.
Look at that must be the back, because this, yo,
This is the front. Look, and they have holes. No, you have the glitter stuff. Yeah.
I don't know if I want to do that side though.
Why? That's the whole key about it.
Can you? Yeah, yeah.
They have it in black.
Oh, look at this shit. I'm sweating like shit. It's hot as hell outside. Alright. I'm gonna put the camera down. We're gonna look for some more stuff. When I find something else that's really dope, I'll show it to you guys. What's up, y'all? This is day 2 actually of the last video when I went to I think it was Ann Fabrics or something like that. I think it was Ann Fabrics. Yeah, I went with my mom. We tried to look, you know, for something that was cool. I was trying to get a woman's point of view on what would really look good in the car, because she loved G35. She actually want one. And I was trying to like get her opinion on what she thought would be a good little interior. And honestly, the fabrics that they had over there just wasn't really doing it for me. You know what I'm saying? Like they did, you know, there was a couple cool ones, but those are the same ones that I felt like a lot of, and this is no shade to, you know, the Honda community. I got a couple friends that drive Hondas, but it seemed like a lot of the same interior stuff that the Honda guy would use. And I'm trying to like be a whole different breed of person when it comes to doing stuff to my car. Hence why I'm trying to do all this original stuff that a lot of these other G35 owners don't really do to their car. So even the person that was there, the sales associate, told me straight up, she was like, it's best to probably even go online. There's a lot more other variety both on their website and just in general. Yeah, so I was thinking about just doing something like that and figuring that out and figuring out how I'm gonna make that work and stuff like that. But I have an idea in my mind. If I can get the fabric, y'all boys, I think y'all would love it. I think y'all would really, 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 really love it. It'll be different too. It'll be different. That's the main thing for me, is just being different. Yeah, when I'm in the car, I'm actually leaning in the car because I'm actually taking, like, if you guys see, let me just turn the camera around. If you guys see, this car has really, since this whole thing that's been going on, we got to stay in the house and all this stuff, I rarely be driving my car. And I'm honestly kind of like ashamed to even show you guys the back, because you guys might flame me in the comments. But that shit is just, I mean, we got everything back here. Floor mats that I haven't even unraveled or whatever yet. The side of my panel on my car is like, for some reason, I guess it's melting off. Good thing I actually bought some of that adhesive, the fabric adhesive that I showed you guys in the other video. And yeah, this is terrible, man. I don't like how this is looking. It's looking like basically I'm hoarding all kinds of crap in my car, man. So yeah, I got the plastic bag. We're gonna do some cleaning today, y'all boys. Let's go. You know what? Before we actually do that, let me give you guys a little bit of a car cold startup. Let's do that. That's crazy. It's looking like the heat done got to it. It's on both sides too. See that little, it's starting to come off or whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna have to, I mean, what's crazy is that this is just a piece of plastic right here. This is just, you know, ain't no real stitching. This is stick, you know, it has like the little sticky type of feel. You just could put it back, but I've done it too many times and it just seems like it's not gonna just do it. So either I'm gonna spray the new adhesive spray that I have, that I'm using for the headliner, and just go ahead and do that. Don't ask me why I got a cutter from Harbor Freight just sitting in my car, and I still got these other parts here. Oh boy, this is like goddamn gold right here with this damn. Still got the mud guards that my brother clearly don't want to help me with, but it's cool. Apparently I got to do stuff myself, you know what I mean? Ain't no big deal. And I gotta show you guys something too on my engine. I was wondering on my car, like when I was driving it, I was thinking there was something wrong. I was thinking there was something wrong with it. Cause it was it was making like this hesitating sound. Like I was like, what the hell? Why is it like feel like it's gonna cut off? Come to find out, yo, the actual air filter, once again, this is like the second, third time that this has done that. It's coming off of the Z-tube. It's literally coming off. And I was wondering, when I opened the engine, I was like, yep, this was just sitting just like that. So something gotta give. I gotta figure something out. I got gloves on one hand and I should be using the gloves hand. Why is this not going in? Okay, sort of kind of going in now. Alright, give me one second, put y'all down for a minute. I feel like this is gonna definitely come off again. Got it like super on there. It's gonna come off again, I can feel it. I just know it is. Gotta do what you gotta do, right? I really honestly just gotta change out this Z-tube and just get a whole different monster. Thinking about just getting an engine and just doing away with this Spectre filter and just be the end of it. Here's another thing, guys, that I'm going to take care of. If you guys like, you see remember the lip that I had that I put on the car? I'll put a link to the installation. It looks, I gotta like repaint it or something. So I'm taking it off. I'm gonna just take these clips off and I'm gonna mask off all of this. I'm gonna mask off the logo and just repaint this black. I'm thinking I might do it in like a gloss black, because really I didn't paint it. I just kind of put the damn lip on there, and after a while this happened. Like it has like this, I don't know what the hell it is. I guess the weather just kind of weathered it out. So that's getting repainted, y'all. Then another thing, this shit, the paint is just completely obliterated, like the, not paint, but the wrap. Completely, this sun's been just doing the damage on it. So this is coming off. Oh shit. I gotta take all this shit off. Yeah, so this is all coming off. And as y'all can see, yeah, it's nighttime. I was pretty much out here doing that stuff. I didn't kind of want to like bore you guys with all the stuff I was doing. I didn't even get to take off like a good amount of the wrap on the fender, just because the sun beat it so much, it kind of like stuck it to the car. So it has like a good little trim. I took off majority of it, but it has like a good little trim of the sticker that was mostly hit by the sun. Again, you guys, I wasn't really moving the car like that, so it's just been out there like that, right? But yeah, I'm getting stuff slowly together. The car for the summer is going to be a complete transformation. I'm looking up paint places that's like in the Broward area that I can be able to get the car repainted. I don't want to do a wrap just because I didn't show you guys, and I probably should have. That's my bad on that. But the roof and the hood, you may see it a little bit, but the roof and the hood has been completely, and the trunk hood has been completely killed by the sun. Just by leaving the car there. I didn't put no cover over it or anything. I don't have a garage like that, at least not yet. And yeah, so the car's paint has been kind of beat, and really on the top. The side of the car is still fine, the both left and right, but the top mostly has been really completely beat by the sun. As you can see, I took this off, took the grill off. I'm gonna be masking off the emblem and all that stuff, and I'm going to be repainting the grill again. Well, going to be repainting it really, because I didn't get to really paint it when I put it on. I just stuck it on really when I got it. Didn't realize it was going to get like this. Again, this Miami weather does numbers on your car, especially when you don't got no like garage or place to like cover it or whatever. But yeah, I'm getting right for the summer. I'm really gonna like turn this car around. And I did a mock-up of my car, how I wanted to look. I don't want to put it out as of yet because I want to get to that at least a halfway point, and then I'll put the mock-up and let you guys know how close it is to completion. But with that said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's kind of like a culmination of like 2 days of stuff. I know it's kind of, the video kind of was like everywhere, but the world we live in is everywhere. So I want you guys to be safe, be well, stay positive, love, you know what I mean? Just love your neighbor, love whatever family you are cool with, just love, man. Like, we really need that out there with all what's going on. I'm not going to be too specific because I'm not trying to turn this into that kind of video, but come on, man, respect and love each other, man. We all here humans on this planet for one thing, and that's just to kind of thrive together and work together. But anyway, that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace. Stay driven. One.